Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Now, I'm talking about Sandy Home Recipe. Send the edit can I will show you a video. Remember, if you subscribe. Now I share. Now I like. Now me notification bell. See the video by 2 hours abeka. And if you say a banana oatmeal bread. In fact, the pie you use 3 medium banana, ripe banana. What will where they will go. We are now the 3 cups sugar at the account. 1/4 cup milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla. Na fair then. What blending that together? I blend the area now the 3 tablespoons sunflower oil. Now what mixing in the nine. Oh yeah, now the 1 cup raw oats where there with the gum. Now the 1 cup oat flour so there akaho. Now the 1/2 teaspoon salt. Now the cinnamon powder there akaho. Now fade the way there one mixing in together. Please remember to hit the bell icon to get new video we will post if you are new to our channel. And here the way we now the 1 teaspoon baking powder. No I cause why there I'm mixing in One mix here we no. No I cause share grease baking bread time. Now the raw oats in be then. Egugu there esro no. By optional power fire then count. Now I the what baking 180 degrees for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, now we here for oven. No manajo. Now for the wire the what serve. Then the kind I will show you video. Remember if you subscribe. Now I share. Now I like. When me notification bell say the video be 2 hours abeka. In fact, banana oatmeal bread bread be the pa. Very healthy and wording wompa. Now this our oat banana bread. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.